So good morning students. So today we will discuss about the adult nurse numericals. Okay. So if you want a video about child nursing numerical or mental health nurse numericals, so if you want to know how you can solve these numericals easily, so please comment in our video. So we will definitely make a video on it and will upload in our channel. So today we only discuss about adult nurse numerical, how you can solve these numerical very easily. Okay, so first, what is the first question? What is the volume that has been drawn up into the syringe? Please use the correct unit and write your answer to one decimal place. So first we need to understand about what is the meaning of one decimal place. Okay, I will tell you. So you can see that on a calculator, this there is a number about 0.6. That means only one digit after decimal. That means one decimal place. If they write in your question, write your answer to one decimal place, so that means they will accept only one digit after decimal point, only one digit after decimal points. That means one decimal places. Okay, if there is if they ask in the answers, write your answers in two decimal places, then the answer will be 0 0.66. Okay, so one decimal place means only one digit after decimal. Two decimal places, two digit after decimals. Three digit place means three digits after decimal. So this is the simple, very simple thing, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so the next thing is, what is the volume that has been drawn up into the syringe? Okay, so you can say that here is 6, 6.5 and 7. So the volume that has been drawn up into the syringe is 6.5. So the answer will be 6.5. So here is a one mistake that most of the students are doing or have been doing. So here you can see that they want answers in ml, so and they want answers in one decimal places. So we already write the one decimal places, like only one digit after the decimal in our answer, only one digit after the decimals, after the decimal. So that means we already have covered the one requirement of the answer, 6.5. So most of the students write ml in wrong way. So how you can write ml? So after 6.5 you have to give a space and you have to write small m and big L. So this is the right way to write the ml. Okay, this is the right way to write ml. So if you write it like this, if you write 6.5 ml, it will be incorrect. So if you write it like this, it will also be incorrect. Okay, if you write it like this, it also be incorrect. So what is the right way? So you 6.5 space m and then big L. This is the right answer. Okay, so now we move to the next question. What is the volume that has been dispensed? Please use the correct unit. So in that, this is a very easy question. So all the questions are very easy. So here is, you can say, the 20 ml. We have 20 ml. So the answer will be 20 m, 20 m, small m, then L. This is the correct answer. This is the correct way to write your answer. A patient has been prescribed 2 liter of 0.9% sodium chloride. What is the volume in ml? So you don't have to care about this 0.9%. okay, you only have to care about 2 liter. Okay, so we all know that 2 liter is 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml. That's it. So you also needs to understand these units. You can learn it on Google. Just search on it. Okay, so here one thing that you need to know. Here they already wrote ml. If you wrote here ml, they will not give you permission. Okay, because they already wrote ml here. So if you do that, the answer will also be incorrect. Okay, so you have to be aware about that, aware about this thing. If they already mentioned ml in the answer option, so you don't have to write ml, so the answer only 2000. A patient has been prescribed 0.6 gram of ibuprofen. What dose in ml? So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. So 0.6 gram is equal to 600 mg. That's a very simple thing. Very simple question. So you can see that they already mentioned the mg here, so you don't have to mention your answer. Just 600, then move to the next. A patient has been prescribed 300 mg of phenytoin. How many tablets should be administered? So 300 mg. So but phenytoin, in the question they mentioned 300 mg, but the quantity that we have available is only 100 mg. Okay, the tablets that we have available only in 100 mg, but they ask for 300 mg. So how many tablet we administer? That means 3 tablets. Very simple, very easy. Let's move to the next. A patient has been prescribed 1 gram of carbocysteine solution. What volume should be administered? Please use the correct unit. So here, what the volume that we have? Carbon 200 mg in 5 ml. So what the volume we have? 200 mg in 5 ml. But the volume required is 1 gram. So if you want to solve this question, first you have to convert gram into mg. Okay, 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. So now we will use the calculator. Okay. Okay, so 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. 1000 divided by 200 mg, the volume that we have, and multiply by 5 ml. So the answer will be 25 ml. Okay, the answer will be 25. So here you can see that there is no, they didn't mention any ml mg here, so we have to mention m. That's it. Very easy, very simple. Yeah, let's move to the next. A patient has been prescribed 100 mg of phenytoin in suspension. What volume should be administered? Please use the correct unit. One thing that I want to mention again, please don't read question short. Okay, make sure you have, before solving your answer, you have to read whole question. Okay, some students don't read the full question, so please don't do that. So here we have 100 mg. We have 100 mg prescription, but what the thing that we have available is 250 mg, but the prescription we have 100 mg, but we have available 200 mg in 5 minutes. So how we can solve that? Same thing, same as before. 100 mg divided by 250 mg and multiply by 5. So the answer will be 2 ml. So here you can again see that they didn't mention any ml or mg here, so we have to mention. So the next question is, a patient has been prescribed levetiracetam suspension at a dose of 10 mg kg. The patient weight is 70 kg. So here I want to explain you one thing more. In hospital, in UK's hospital, some medications will be given by the, first we have to get the weight of the patient, then we have to divide the medication, multiply the doses of the medication with the patient weight, then we get the correct doses that we have to administer to the patient. So the main thing that I want to say you, like some medications needs to divide by the weight of the patient. Okay, so how we can solve that? We have to give 10 mg kg, means 1 kilogram. If the patient weight will be 1 kilogram, so then we have to give 10 mg, but the weight of the patient is 70 mg. So how much doses we have to give? First we have to divide it 70 mg to 10, we have 700. So then the volume that we have available is 100 mg in 1 ml. So divided by 100 and multiply by 1, 7, only 7 ml. Okay, 7. So and so how we did that? So if the weight of the patient is 1 kg, so we will give 10 mg, but the weight of the patient is 70 kg, so that's why in that situation we will give 700 mg. That's very easy. A patient has been prescribed 60 mg of this. What volume should be done up for the injection? Please use the correct unit. So six, we need to give 60 mg, but the thing that we have available is 20 mg in 1 ml. So how we will do that? Same thing again. 60 divided by 20 multiply by 1. That's it. 3 ml. Only 3 ml. These these all questions are very easy. The only thing that you need is practice again and again. A patient has been prescribed 4 mg of dimorphin hydrochloride. What volume should be drawn up for the injection? The use of the correct unit. Here they can ask you, they are asking you one decimal places that we discussed before. One decimal places means one digit after decimal. So how we can write the thing that we have to give 4 mg, but the thing that we have available is 5 mg. So 4 divided by 5 multiply by 1. That's it. 0.8. Yeah, that's it. A patient has been prescribed pethidine hydrochloride at dose of 0.5 mg kg. Your patient weight is 90 kg. Same thing. Same thing again that we already did. What volume should be done up for the injection? Please use the correct unit and write your answer is 1 decimal place. Same thing again. So how we do that? 1 kg is equal to 0.5 mg. If the patient weight of the patient is 1 kg, then we will give 0.5 kg, but 0.5 mg, sorry. What the weight of the patient now is 90 kg. So 90 multiply by 0.5. So we need to give 45 mg. Okay. So what the thing that we have available is 50 mg. 45 divided by 50 multiply by 1. 0.9. So your answer is 0.9 ml. That's it. That's a simple and easy. So this is an infusion pump. You can see that when you are working in hospital ward, so there will be an infusion pump in which you have to give some readings, so then they will work properly. So how you can find these readings? So they say that what rate would you set the infusion pump to run? The only two things in that chart you have to include, you have to make your you have to give your attention is volume and duration. These two are the very important thing to find your correct answer. So this is a very easy. So in what rate would you set the infusion pump to run? So we have four volume 400 ml, so duration 5 hours. So that's simple. 400 divided by 5, that you will get the answer 80 ml. So they already mentioned ml per hour, so you only have to write 80 ml. That's it. Then they again give the infusion pump. Then we will again apply the same formula. What volume that we have 100 ml over 1000 ml, duration 6 hours. That means we have to give 1000 ml in 6 hours. So in what rate we would run the infusion? Okay, so 1000 divided by 6 is equal to 1.66. So here is one thing that you need to understand. Look at the question. At what rate would you set the infusion pump to run? Here is a new thing. Give your answer to the nearest whole number. Okay. So in that situation, you don't have to write anything after the decimal. Okay, so the answer will be 167 ml per hour. So now there is a question, you will ask like why the answer is 167. So what, look at the demand of the question. Nearest whole number, that means nearest whole number means you cannot write your answer with the point. You cannot write your answer with the point. In your answer there will be no point. Okay, nearest whole number means simple numbers. Okay, no point, no any decimal in your answer. Okay, so how we can find that? 1.66.6 nearest whole number. If there will be, so that's why nearest the 1.6 near is 167. So it is near to, if I see the all things, so it is near to 167. So I write the 167. 167. Okay, so the if the answer is, if it is like 166.3, if 3333, so in that situation we will write 166. So 166.33 is near to 166 1, but 166.66 is near to 167. So in that situation we will write the 167. So how you can do that? Like if the answer is 166.4, then 444, then we will write 166. If the answer is, if the answer is 555, in that situation we will write 167. Okay, the main thing that you need to understand, if the answer is 166.324, then you have to write 166. If the answer is 166.567, they like this, so you have to write 167. So I would also recommend you, please go on Google or anything and write nearest whole number, how to solve nearest whole number answers. Okay, so you will get the video on it, or you will get the information about it. So I would also recommend you, please search on Google and you will get the most of it. Okay, also search on Google and get your answer. Okay, so in that situation we will write 167. So we will go to the next question. Then again, in fusion pump we will have 800 ml, duration 5 minutes. So the main thing that we do, 800 divided by 5, that's it, 160 ml. So they already mentioned the 1 ml per hour, so we don't have to mention here. 16, yeah, move to next. So here is your last question. Complete, you will have 15 or 17 questions during your, okay, exam. So complete the following fluid balance chart to calculate if the patient has gained or lost fluid over a 24 hours period. If the patient has gained fluid, you should include positive plus sign before your balance answer. Example, plus 100 ml. If the patient has lost fluid, you should include minus. Plus means positive, minus means negative. Okay, before your balance, like minus 100 ml. Please use the correct units. So I want to again mention, please, before solving your answer, please read the full question. Okay, so the thing that we have input, we have this input. First we have to calculate this all: 100, 200, 300, 400, 4, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1150, 1200. We have 1250 and, okay, we have 1250 input. Okay, so now we have to look at the output. So how much output we have? One, we have to 140 plus 180 plus 200 plus 310 plus 80. We only have that much output. So now we have to find the balance. So in that situation we will minus 1250 minus 390. So we have positive, you have to positive 860 ml. So this is our answer. So how we can say that this is positive? Because the input is more than the output. If the output is more than the input, so then we mention minus here. Okay, so this is a very simple thing. So now we will finish our, so you can see that here is 3 incorrect answers, but sometimes they will give some things like, so we will again review these questions, like why these are incorrect. Okay, so we wrote, I wrote O instead of 0. The answer is 0.8 ml. So if we again review the screen of our 10th question is, then you can see that our 10th question is correct. So question 11, then we again wrote O instead of 0. Okay, so you have to don't have to do these things. Okay, if we again review this, our 11 question, then you can see that our 11th question is correct. So some we did wrong in the this thing, like we have to again, we will do 100 plus 100 plus 150 plus 150 plus 125 plus 125 plus 6 times 125. So our this input is correct. So what is our output? 140 plus 180 plus 200 plus 310 plus 80. Okay, so our output is 9110. So we did something wrong in adding the numbers 910. So again, if we minus 1250 minus 910, so our answer is 340. Our answer will be 340. So don't do these mistakes. Okay, so if you please do all the numericals with very careful. Okay, so you will have enough time to solve your numericals during your exam. You will have 30 minutes. So I would recommend, please review your, after done your numericals, please review it again. Okay, so if we review the screens, so we can see that we have all 15, we have all the you can see the zero incorrect. So we will all the answers are, we have all answer correct. So this is a very easy exam. Numericals are very easy, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so like just practice these things lots of time before your exam, so you will be used to it. So if you want a video about child health nursing miracles, mental health nursing miracles, please let me know in the comment. And you can also join us on Telegram. Just write OET talks and you will get our groups, and you can ask anything. You can ask anything in our group. Okay, you can ask anything in our group, and if you have any inquiries, please let me know in the comments. So take care for now. Good luck.